I just want to make a quick video on how to mount your cell phone to your wheelbase. So the Fanatec wheelbases have the same mounting points at the front for, I'm pretty sure, pretty much all their wheelbases. And what I did was I mounted an old phone. And I know that there's cell phone holders that you can get on Etsy and stuff like that that a guy 3D prints. But I wanted to see if I liked the dash, which is actually turns out to be really awesome. So basically using SimHub, you can use the dash system, which I don't think I have running right now, but I'm sure you've seen videos of it. Now, what I did at first was I took an old phone, and I'll actually take the phone out of this case. So I took an old phone case and I basically drilled holes in it and mounted it to popsicle sticks. So basically you'll see there, so there's just the screws there, and I just use like tapered inset screws. You can see the ball and the popsicle sticks there, and I'll just stand up to show you the back. So there they are. Okay, so really crude, but it works. So if you're thinking, do I want to run a dash and stuff like that, before you go and buy a mount, you could just use something, like I said, 2 popsicle sticks on each, a couple holes drilled, some screws holding it together, and there you go, you got your dash. So that works. It cost me all the screws I had from my Fanatec stuff, and it cost me nothing to try. So the dash system for SimHub is really cool. It's definitely worth trying. But I wanted definitely to be able to switch phones out because this is my old phone. The battery was dying. I want to be able to use my current phone. So online, you can actually buy the this is a cell phone holder for multiple size cell phones. So you can actually just slide this in. So you can see it, you can get different arms. You put your phone in, slide that down, and there you go. Okay, your phone's now in there. It's not going anywhere. Really nice, really cool file. I was actually able to purchase just the file and have a friend print me mine. So instead of spending 20 bucks on one, I spent $8 on the file and had a buddy print it for me. But you can buy these on Etsy. So I'm gonna mount it and we'll see how it looks. All right, I got the new mount on there. Looks pretty good. I know it's white, not black. Unfortunately, my buddy only had white filament, but I'm just gonna spray paint it spray paint it black once I just wanted to test fit it really quickly. But so you can see the phone fits in really nicely. It's nice and snug. If you had to, you could probably sand it down a bit if your phone was a little too tight, or you could also put like some sort of sticky on felt or something like that to make it a little tighter if need be. But you can see just position-wise right through the wheel, which looks good. And then if I switch to my Formula One wheel, so I'll just slide this one off with one hand. And you can kind of see how it's mounted there. Very easy to install, looks great. And with the Formula One wheel, let me just get that in place. There we go. Okay, Formula One wheel on, position is perfect. And then if you're not using your dash, you can take that off. You could take that out to just, it's kind of hard. My headline, I'm not looking at the screen there. My view angle is about there. So that works pretty good. So yeah, and then to adjust this, lots of room for adjustment, easy to adjust. Just loosen those off a little bit and this thing slides up and down, no problem. So yeah, so I would say that, for the $20-ish, if you haven't used a dash, getting the SimHub set up on your phone or an old phone or tablet or something like that, and then put a phone holder on, totally worth it. All right, give it a try. I'll put the links in the description for the guy's Etsy page that he sells these mounts, as well as the link to the page that you can download or purchase the file so you can print it yourself. All right, so if you have any questions, let me know.